The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rapidly becoming one of the most buzzed-about drones in the market, even before its official release. Despite the recent launch of DJI's palm-sized Neo vlogging drone, the Mini series continues to be the go-to choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into what we can expect from the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, its rumored features, possible release dates, and exciting upgrades. DJI fans have been eagerly speculating about the innovations the Mini 5 Pro will bring. However, major upgrades may come with some trade-offs. Adding a larger sensor or bigger battery could push the Mini 5 Pro past the 250-gram weight limit that makes the Mini series so accessible. The 250-gram weight class allows drone pilots in the US to fly without needing an FAA license, so DJI will need to be careful about staying within this sweet spot. So, what can DJI improve within this weight limit? The camera is one area that's sure to see an upgrade. Rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could feature a 1-inch sensor, an exciting leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. A bigger sensor would improve image quality, especially in low light, making it perfect for stunning landscapes, even in tricky lighting. While some may hope for a higher resolution, DJI seems to be focusing on enhancing dynamic range and clarity instead. As for the release date, DJI typically follows an annual release cycle for the Mini series. Based on this pattern, many expect the Mini 5 Pro to launch as early as November, allowing DJI time for development while keeping fans eager for the next iteration. Beyond the camera, there are other exciting rumors. One is the potential inclusion of advanced AI tracking. This feature would enable the Mini 5 Pro to follow fast-moving subjects like vehicles with greater precision, ensuring smooth footage even during action-packed scenes. If DJI pulls this off, the Mini 5 Pro could become an even more powerful tool for dynamic videography. Another potential feature is 5G connectivity. With 5G, the Mini 5 Pro could offer smoother control, faster real-time video transmission, and higher quality live feeds, ideal for professionals or anyone looking to push the limits of remote piloting. The Mini 4 Pro's impressive 40-minute battery life is likely to be maintained or even improved in the Mini 5 Pro, all while keeping the lightweight design. Whether you're new to drones or a seasoned pilot, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to strike the perfect balance between ease of use, high-quality imaging, and portability. The Mini 5 Pro may not revolutionize the drone world, but it promises meaningful upgrades to enhance the user experience. What features are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on DJI's upcoming releases and other exciting drone news. We'll keep you updated as more details about the Mini 5 Pro emerge.